up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. All right, guys, we're here in Carlisle at the GM show. We're out going to be looking to try to buy some cars, talk to people, going to do some interviews and some unique cars that we find. Hopefully we have a good day. It's raining today. We're on a Friday. It looks like volume is down. There's not a ton of people here, but we're going to make the best of it. We're hopefully going to put some deals together. We will take you through the day. Appreciate you staying. Please hit the like, subscribe. You can leave that in there. Subscribe. First of all, what's your name?
Larry Kulik.
Very cool. Okay. And you're the owner of this
1972 442. It's a 442 real one.
the real deal.
Yeah. The paint is 25 years old on it, and it's holding up very well. I've gone through the stages with the Antique Car Club of America, and I have a Senior Grand National, which you can't get any better than that.
There's nothing better than that. That's
but
it.
It's got a factory 4-speed in it, which 1100 were only made in 1972. It is the factory 350. It's not a big block. It's a small block, but it's original. So,
and when you told me over there we were talking, when you bought the car, you turned it back into everything original.
Everything original. That's the way you have to do it to get through the Antique Car Club of America.
Yeah.
So it's ran a course for a good couple of years, but it's what it is.
How long have you owned it?
I own it 26 years.
26 years.
Yep. And the paint is 25 on it.
So you bought it, restored it, or was it already?
It was restored. The
Okay.
paint was restored,
Okay.
but I made everything to go to stock. That's the way it's got to be to go through the Antique Car Club.
Gotcha.
If anything's bad, you don't get accepted.
So now for our show, it's all about buying and selling classic cars. Here's my question for you: would you ever consider selling it?
Right now,
that's what our viewers want to know.
Right now, no.
No.
Maybe down the road a couple years, maybe I would think about it. But as of right now, I'm having way too much fun with it.
What kind of value do you put on this? What do you think this car's worth?
Being it has the small block in it, I mean it has a 4-speed which helps out, but I would say in the range probably of about 50,000.
You heard it here, guys. You know, 50K is the number he put on it. He's not looking to sell it yet.
Yeah.
But that could change, so you contact me and we can get you in contact with the owner if that does change. Cool. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Letting us do that. Hey guys, I'm here with Misty. She's the owner of this beautiful Super Sport. Can you tell us the year, make, model, and what it is?
Sure. It's a 1967 Chevelle Super Sport. It's an original 396 car. It was my late husband's. He gifted it to my son, so my son and I are taking it out around to car shows just to memorialize him. And,
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And it's a 4-speed car.
It is a 4-speed,
Yeah, which is
and I
awesome.
can drive it.
You can drive it, and you rip it sometimes.
Maybe a little bit.
A little bit. Now it's been off the road
Since probably 1992, 93.
Okay.
We just kind of left it set. My husband died about 6 years ago, so my son, and he's now 19, but we got it out, and with the help of my fiance, who's done most of the work, he's helped us restore the car and get it back to its
What exactly did you guys do when you restored it? What did you do?
So we took it clear down.
Okay.
We have had it powder coated, the frame powder coated and everything. We sent the engine out to LaSalle's shop, got them to refresh the engine and just put the transmission, just gave everything a refresh and renew.
So your husband didn't see it like this?
No, unfortunately,
Wow.
no. He did not. It was his passion to restore it with his son when he got older, and unfortunately that didn't happen.
So all of our viewers, they want to know one single question. Okay. Our whole channel is about buying and selling classic cars. Is it for sale?
Oh my, no.
No way, right? But let me ask you this, hypothetically, what kind of number would take to buy it? Because that's what people always ask.
Yeah,
They're
right.
like if you had to. I'm not saying you would
Right.
sell it, but if you had to put a number on it, just throw out a number on the camera so they know what you would.
I mean, I would say it would be at least worth 35,000, 40,000. Yeah.
That's cool. You heard it here first, guys. This thing is super clean, and the stance on it. You guys did a nice stance to it.
Yeah, it had to have the Craigers.
Yeah,
It, pretty much put it back to the way it was in the 90s.
yeah. A lot of our audience, see, we get people all over the U.S. that kind of watch our channel, and we have two demographics, older and younger. Nobody really in between. So the younger guys don't know nothing about
Right.
this, and then the older guys, they're getting to the age where this is all they want to watch, and this is what they want to see, this is what they want to buy. So you heard it here first, guys. The value, 35, 40 grand, but it's not for sale. She will not sell it. This is a car that was her late husband's car. It is no way for sale. It's priceless, right?
Right.
It is.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're here with Gary. He's the owner of this Oldsmobile, and I've never seen this before. You guys gotta check this out. They call it a lightning rod shifter. I've never seen one before. He's gonna explain what it is.
Okay. Basically, it is a ratchet shifter. You lock it. You pull it back through the gears. So. Basically, if you pull it, that one all the way back, then number 2 back, number 1 back, and you leave, you wind up number 1, that takes you to 2nd, that's 3rd, and it's drive, and overdrive.
Now, what would be the benefit of shifting it like that instead of just leaving it, and just throwing it in low and then 2nd?
There's no, if you were in a performance situation, there's no chance of throwing it into neutral in reverse.
Okay. That's cool.
I can show you a picture of the sequence.
Yeah.
They made the lightning
What is
rod.
it, 84?
84. They used the lightning rods in 83 and 84.
So that was limited production.
Yes. There's 3,200 of these, I believe. I'm not quite sure if it's 32 or 35, but 32 I've heard. This is all the years for the Hearthstones. This is a shift sequence
okay, cool.
for it.
Seems complicated.
It's not.
Not.
No, it's once you do it once or twice, you got to hang.
Yeah, you get used to it.
And if I'm just driving normal, I just put it in drive and drive it like an automatic.
Right.
Yeah.
So
How long have you owned the car for?
2014.
2014. And you bought it local or?
I bought it in White Marsh, Maryland.
Oh yeah.
I work
Right.
in Maryland.
Right north of Baltimore.
Yes, I work in White Marsh area.
Okay.
And the guy I bought it from was a second owner. He bought it in 1987, and he kept the car all those years. And he blew the engine up.
Ooh.
Parked it. It sat for 10 years before I bought it.
How'd you find it?
Eating lunch.
Eating lunch.
I had a T-shirt on, and the guy standing at the counter says, "You're into cars?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Well, I got one. If you're interested in buying a car, I got one I need to get rid of." And I went and looked at it, and it was this.
You must have got a good deal on it.
I did pretty good.
Yeah, good. If you, so here's what our viewers, they always ask, what is the price? If you had to sell it, first of all, would you sell it?
Probably not.
Okay.
But
But if you had to sell it and someone said, okay, tell me your number to buy it, what's the buying number on it?
25 to 30.
25 to
And
30.
it's less money than a Grand National, less money than a Monte Carlo.
There you go.
So they're just the popularity.
What's the miles on it?
It's got 136 on it.
136. Cool. Awesome. I appreciate you giving us a chance to talk with you. What's up, guys? I'm here with Christian. We're looking at his 1971 Chevy C10. But this ain't no normal little truck that you see anywhere. Look at this under the hood. Come on. 6.2. He did all the work himself. Did a bunch of stuff to it. Tell us about the truck, what you did to it.
So it's a 6.2 motor out of an Escalade. It's got a Brian Tooley Racing Stage 4 cam. It's got 4 piston wheels all around. Motor's made it up to a 256 6 speeds, tick built. Stock rear end. Just waiting for that damn thing to blow.
Yeah. But now, where'd you buy this truck at?
This truck came from Kansas. Actually.
Kansas?
So it was originally registered in Kansas.
Did you buy it on eBay or something, or?
Facebook Marketplace. Found it.
And you went out there?
So my buddy actually bought the truck and got it shipped down here.
Cool.
So they
And
went
then-
from Kansas to California for a little bit, and then it came here.
And you did all the work yourself?
So we did all the work.
Yeah.
It's my buddy. So
Did you got a shop, or you just do it in the backyard?
it's his truck. We do it in the backyard.
Backyard build. Come on, that's
So, I want to
awesome.
get this straight. This is his truck.
Oh, it's his?
It's
Okay.
not mine. So he's out of town.
Okay.
But yeah. So him and I did all this shit.
That's cool. Well, at least you're honest with it. I mean, still, you're part of the build. How fast is it?
They're boogies.
The boogies?
They're boogies.
You racing vets or no?
Not racing anybody.
Nah.
Don't really. It's kind of a cruiser.
Yeah.
Just go out, have fun with it.
Right. All right. So this is a question we ask everybody. It's just we're a buying and selling classic car channel.
All right.
How much to buy the truck?
25 or make an offer.
25 grand or best offer, guys. Leave us a comment. If you're interested in it, we'll put you in touch with the owner. Try to put a deal together.
You guys ready?
Yep.
All right.
Nice.
It's up a little bit.
Yeah, it sounds good. All right, guys, we're here at Mac and Lydia. They have an original owner. He bought a brand new Chevy Camaro. What year is it?
73.
73 Z28. Can you tell us about it, when you bought it? Talk to me about the negotiation skills, everything that you guys did as a family when you bought it.
Well, I started out, I was going to go buy a Nova SS, and 73, it was $3,400. We went over and it was already sold. This was sitting on the showroom. Sticker on it was $4,467, $68. We
Now, back then, that was a lot of money.
that was a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can buy a lot of cars less than that. So my mom, my grandmother was with me, and my grandmother was financing it. And so anyway, we talked to the salesman, and he told me, he said, wait 2 weeks, the 74s will be in. I said, I don't like the 74s, I like the 73s. He said, well, it's the last one around. And I said, well, and so we negotiated. It was $4,037.
So you got about 400 bucks off,
$400 off.
10% off.
Drove it off showroom floor on a Friday afternoon, came home from college and bought it. I was 19. I've had it ever since. Drove it with my college car. Took it, it's been everywhere. I drove it, raced it.
Of course, you raced it.
Back then, stoplight to stoplight.
Yeah.
But I put it up in '83. Didn't get it back out in 2003. Of course, we painted it. Original color. I mean, the color's original. It's 51 yellow. 4-speed car. Didn't want air. Because all I cared about at 19 was shifting gears.
That's it.
And of course, 73s with a 4-speed came from the factory, 373 rear. If they were automatics, they were 342s. Well, I went to 373. And like I said, it's a college car, and we've had it ever since. Go to car show.
Does the radio ever turn on by itself? No.
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 I just got of course,
Well, then, since the Transformers movie came out now, I think this was featured in it, was it not?
well,
Made the
everybody
yellow
thinks
popular.
this is the Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Bumblebee was like, what, a 74, 75?
Yeah. Some people mistaking it for the Bumblebee.
Yeah,
Just because of the color.
Yeah.
Bumblebee had the plastic bumper.
Yeah, yeah.
Not the chrome.
Yeah, 74.
Yeah, they had, that's like that right there. So,
But people see it yellow, they come up on it like,
well,
Bumblebee.
I'm just a car guy. I like cars. I'm not a real great mechanic, but I'm a car guy. But
There's a red radish.
we just got a kind of a stable of them down there.
If you could have one car right now, if I said, all right, what car do you want? You guys can have it. What would it be? You only get one. Any car.
Too many to pick from. I don't know what it's right here.
There you go. You heard it here first, guys. I appreciate your time.
I don't have to buy it.
Right, you already have it. Thank you.